Hey cuties, this week we are going to listen to Chiki Chiki Kadai 2. Last week we saw Chiki Chiki and his friends decided they won't trouble others. Let's see what they do this week. One afternoon, Chiki Chiki and his friends, after having lunch, decided they will play some music and sing and dance. So they all took up their instruments and started getting ready. Chiki Chiki's mother saw this and she said, Chiki Chiki, I think you all should go out and play. You will be disturbing everybody if you play inside the house, she said. So Chiki Chiki and his friends said, okay, we will play near the forest boundary, they said, and took the instruments and went there. So they were all very happy and they went singing to the forest boundary. So they arranged their instruments and they started singing and dancing. So they were using drums and other instruments wherein they were playing loudly and dancing around. So this was going on for a while and they were having fun. They were enjoying, clapping hands and everything. Suddenly, they took a break. They decided to wait for some time and then continue their game. So they all sat down and rested under a tree. At that time, there was a very funny noise. All these kiddos were wondering, what is this funny noise? Where is it coming from? They were all wondering. So Chiki Chiki was very shocked. He said, what kind of a noise is this? Looks like a small puppy shouting. Looks like he is in danger because he is crying, he said to his friends. So his friends and Chiki Chiki together decided to go and search hearing this sound. So they went and searched, keeping track with the sound, and a little inside the forest they heard the sound louder. So they went closer and they saw that a small little puppy was caught in a bush and he didn't know how to come out of that bush. So he was screaming. He was screaming. So Chiki Chiki said, okay, we'll help you out. And he told his friends, come on, all of you, let's help this puppy out. So they tried pushing the sticks and then pulling out the plant, and they tried all methods, and this puppy couldn't get out of that place because he was very scared. So he was struggling inside that bush. So finally what happened? Chiki Chiki's friends moved all the bushes and made way for Chiki Chiki to go in and pick the puppy out. So Chiki Chiki went in slowly and pulled out the puppy and brought him outside. The puppy was so scared, he was shivering. So Chiki Chiki patted him, consoled him and brought him out. Then the puppy was so happy and he started licking Chiki Chiki all over and started playing with them. So Chiki Chiki and his friends were very happy that they did a good deed. So this puppy went back to its house, to its mom. And then later in the evening, Chiki Chiki and his friends wound up all the things and went back home. And what did Chiki Chiki's friends do? They went and told Chiki Chiki's Amma, Auntie, we did a great deed today. Chiki Chiki was the hero. So Chiki Chiki's mother was surprised. She said, okay, what did you all do? She asked. Then they explained the whole event And they said Chiki Chiki was brave enough to go inside the bush and pull out the puppy. So Chiki Chiki's mother was very happy. She said, I'm very proud of you, Chiki Chiki. It's always good to help others in distress. So you all did a great job, she said, and clapped for them. So what do we learn from this story? That whenever possible, we should be able to help others who are in a problem. Bye, cuties. See you soon. Ta-da!